Marty from G-Tape, who's going to show us some fairly new products to the East Coast.
Yes, how are we doing today? This is G-Tape. G-Tape's been on the market for 40 years in Japan. It's made it to the United States about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Unique features about G-Tape that you don't see in other flashing tapes is one, the G-Tape tears. G-Tape has other abilities, unlike other flashing tapes, is that one, if it touches to itself, it can come undone. If you're having a bad day and you're all wrinkled on the wall and the wind's blowing, you can pick G-Tape up, get it repositioned, set it down, and you can have a nice even wall. It's repositionable for about the first 30 minutes.
Yeah.
After that, you are pretty much set into place unless you want to get me perfect, and then you can have G-Tape. G-Tape is a pressure sensitive tape. Minus 40 degrees to 200 degrees will set and be in place. We have videos and confirmations from people all across the United States.
Yeah.
Canada, minus 32 degrees. We're about the only tape in Alaska, minus 40 degrees. That's G-Tape 3040 BK. It's an outstanding flashing tape.
So the idea is about, what, 30 minutes?
30 minutes, 40 minutes repositionable.
Okay.
After that, it's going to set up in place.
Yeah.
This was put on about 9 hours ago, and I challenged people to try pulling it off.
Yeah.
So that's been pulled off today. I've had some of the best guys around here try to pull the tape off.
Yeah.
We use this tape as a door, window, and deck flashing tape.
Yeah.
Instagram guys have discovered it as one of the best tapes that's on the market. We're into about 250 lumber yards now across the United. Then we get into 1009 GR. This is our what we call our potato of the line. So this is the meat, this is the potato.
Okay.
G-Tape 1009 GR is a surface protection tape to be used on your countertops, around your tiles, bathtubs, and so on. Any place else that blue tape doesn't belong. We tell blue tape to stay on the wall, G-Tape. So again, G-Tape doesn't stick to itself. It tears across. It doesn't tear lengthwise. It's designed to hold in shear, but come up like butter.
Yeah. Okay, great.
So that's G-Tape 1009, our surface protection tape.
Awesome. Well, Marty, thanks for your time.
No problem. Thanks a lot.